Video, let's see how to integrate Jira with Power BI. Start by accessing Jira and logging in. After logging in, head to the dashboard and select More to find the Apps section. Select Apps from the drop-down menu. In the Explore Apps for Jira page, click on the search bar. Type Power BI in the search bar and select Power BI Connector for Jira Cloud from the suggestions. Click on Power BI Connector for Jira from the search results. Install the Power BI app, and once the installation is complete, you'll see it added to Jira. Then, in the navigation bar, click on Power BI Connector, located under Your Apps. In the sidebar, select Data Sources. Click on Create Data Source on the right side of the page. In the Name field under General Settings, enter the name of the data source. Provide a description in the designated description box. Take your time to thoughtfully choose and either select or deselect any available options according to your needs. Click the Save button at the bottom of the form. In the Data Sources section, click the Copy URL icon next to the desired data source. Launch your Microsoft Power BI desktop. Select Get Data, and then select OData. In the URL field, paste the link of your data source, and then select OK. Select the basic authentication. In the username field, enter your email address associated with your Jira Cloud instance. In the password field, enter the access token you've created here. Select which level to apply these settings to. Select Connect. Select the tables you need, and then select Load. If there is a large amount of data to import, it may take some time. After the data is loaded, you can build graphs and dashboards based on the imported Jira data.